Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, this one's going to be short. This one's going to be sweet. I have a clarification from Carnival Cruise Lines on their upcoming requirements starting on August the 8th. So we know originally Carnival said, yep, cruises 5 nights or less would not have to pre-cruise test. But they also said that if you were going to the Bahamas or the Grand Caymans, you would have to test regardless of cruise length. Well, Carnival's come back and they said, okay, that's not actually the case. So over on John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line Ambassador's Facebook page, he put out the update to the requirements starting here on August the 8th. And if you are on a sailing 5 nights or less and you are vaccinated, you do not have to pre-cruise test unless the cruise is going to Bermuda or to Canada, because those two countries require that you pre-cruise test. Other than that, if you're doing 5 nights or less, including the Bahamas, including Grand Caymans, you do not have to test, and that brings Carnival online with the other cruise lines. We saw Royal Caribbean doing the same thing, MSC doing the same thing. Margaritaville at Sea is sailing from Florida to the Bahamas, no pre-cruise testing required. So why Carnival thought they had to do it when they went to the Bahamas? Honestly, I don't know. They didn't really say, but they have backtracked it now. And if you are 5 nights or less, other than Bermuda and Canada, you do not have to pre-cruise test on Carnival. I know that was causing a lot of confusion. I saw lots and lots of comments on different pages where people were talking about, but Bahamas doesn't require it. The Caymans don't require it. Why is Carnival requiring it? Well, they are no longer requiring it. So one less thing you have to worry about. And that's going to be our cruise news video. Short, sweet, right to the point. Hope everyone enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.